In D.C., winners include Queens Chapel, Michigan Park, and Bloomingdale. Parts of Anacostia also show up in orange. In blue
are areas that were much more vegetated, had much more tree canopy.
Not as much blacktop and large buildings. Here's where Herring's concerned. We're showing you the NOAA heat map right next to a D.C. Policy Center map showing mid to lower incomes in yellow and red. Herring says those stuck in the heat island include a lot of the elderly and poor.
They may not be able to get out of harm's way, and as this problem gets progressively worse with each passing decade, it starts to become an equity issue and a social justice issue.
Now, some of the newer, more expensive neighborhoods like Noma are also in that orange area. So the hope is really that city planners will use the data for long-range planning. And here's why they say it's also important. Herring says at NOAA, they project the heat is going to rise. And they say over the next century, we'll be seeing those 90-plus degree days, some 80 days out of the year. Adam?
That's a lot to deal with. Stephanie Ramirez, thank you.
And it can skew data, of course.
What's that?
Heat island can skew data because a lot of the, temperatures or the official temperatures are in the heat island, which is,
Right. Well, fortunately, those 90-degree days are behind us now.
They are. The 80-degree days may be behind us, too.
Wow, okay.
Let's start with the big game on Sunday. We have not one, not two. We have 3 football games on Channel 9 on Sunday.
Bam.
You can watch
right
football.
Here.
You can watch football from 9 o'clock in the morning until 7 o'clock, 7:30 at night.
Why would you not do that?
Right. And then your wife will file for divorce, but it'll be fun. All right. Dallas in town. Here's the deal. Wind chills in the 40s. Temperatures themselves only 47 to 53. Remember, it's a second game. So we're not, going overboard here. We're talking layers and we're talking gloves because it's going to be that cold. It's the coldest air of the season. All right, temperature 62 tomorrow. We go up to 68 on Wednesday. Another front comes through. We go back to 58 on Thursday. Another front approaches. We go back up to 68 on Saturday. And then temperatures crash on Sunday because of that second front. So it just gets, chillier and chillier. So what about the first frost dates? Because we have a chance on Wednesday night, north and west. Better chance Sunday night, north and west. So we're actually not there yet. The 17th average for Hagerstown. Places like Waldorf doesn't average a first frost until the first part of November. D.C. doesn't average first frost until November 10th. But you get to Winchester, it is about the 18th of October. So we're kind of on target for those averages, really. All right, so cool but pleasant tomorrow. There could be some morning showers. Mentioned this earlier. South and east of town. So south of Waldorf into St. Mary's City and into Lusby and Calvert County. Just be advised, some early showers possible. Then another cold front Wednesday ushers in the coldest air so far. Of course, that won't last long until the next front comes in Sunday. And then rather cold for the game. Wind chills in the 40s. That's going to feel pretty cold, especially if you're tailgating and you're out there for 3, 4, 5 hours. 6 o'clock in the morning, I still feel this is a bit overdone. But I will say there could be a couple leftover showers, southern Maryland, 6 o'clock in the morning. You're coming down from Frederick, it'll be sunny. You're coming in from 66, it'll be partly cloudy. But if you're coming up 5 or 3 or even up from Fredericksburg, you could have a couple light showers. By 9 o'clock, again, they keep sinking very slowly south as the front sinks south. Temps don't move much, 55 downtown, 50 in Hagerstown. By 1 o'clock, showers gone, clouds still linger south. Everybody else, a pretty nice day. A little cooler than average. Average high is 69. We'll probably make low 60s tomorrow. That's it. And then by 5:30, 6 o'clock, 60 in Frederick, 58 in Gaithersburg, and 60 in Fredericksburg. Not bad. By about this time tomorrow night, clouds start to filter back in here, and temperatures in the upper 40s north and west, and about 55 to 56 downtown. So next 3 days, really not bad. I mean, a little bit on the cool side tomorrow, 62, then 68. It will be breezy on Wednesday, but warmer. Or milder, and then 58 on Thursday, chilly behind the front. And then we warm up a little bit on Friday, 62, and then on Saturday, 67. But some morning showers are possible on Saturday. And then there's the chilly air Sunday, Monday, mid to upper 50s. Reminder, DC United in town Wednesday night. Going to be just about perfect for soccer, and they are vying for a playoff berth.
They've certainly been heating things up at FedEx Field, so let's hope they can continue that on.
Yeah, Vernon Davis, and hopefully he's able to play in the cold weather. He added to his impressive resume Sunday, all-time in the NFL. We'll tell you what record he made his way into coming up next in sports.